Hi, I'm Eric, the company's product designer and one of the owners of Wild Water Fly Fishing. I'm in our U.S. headquarters and I'm going to show you our rod model AX5080-4. It's a 4-piece rod for 5-weight line and it's 8 feet in length. It's made of IM8 graphite and has a custom designed black anodized aluminum reel seat. The rod features a cork handle with compressed cork accents. It has single foot snake guides and stainless steel stripper guides with silicone carbide inserts. You can use this rod to catch trout and panfish and small bass. This rod's great because an 8-foot rod is a little bit preferable to some people. They just don't want the extra length of a 9-foot rod. Some people grew up or learned how to fish with an 8-foot rod and they just want an 8-foot rod. So if you just want an 8-foot rod because 9's too big, this is the rod package for you. We hope you become a Wild Water customer, and if you have any questions, please message us through Amazon.